I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates fell on Wednesday after having risen on Tuesday because the stock market reversed direction and fell sharply on worries about potentially slower global economic growth this year, following news that the Chinese central bank had told some commercial banks in that country to stop approving new loans through the end of this month. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is now at 4 7/8% with 1 7/8 points, down 1/8 of a point from Tuesday, for a savings of $125 on a $100,000 loan. The 5 1/8% rate is now at 5/8 of 1 point, also down 1/8 of a point from Tuesday. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage was down as well, with the 4 1/4% rate now at 1 3/4 points. The 4 1/2% rate is now at 3/8 of 1 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system with immediate news on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up, and if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage originator by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service? Less than $1 a day. December producer prices rose 0.2%, which was above analyst expectations for an unchanged result. However, excluding food and energy, wholesale prices were the same as in November. Today, the government will report on weekly jobless claims. A slight decrease is expected. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here later today for my next free mortgage rate update.